sorry, this is the arse end of actually a half decent scary video, but here goes the taste test. Yeah, my camera and my display stuffed up, but oh yeah, this is what was in the system. I've cooked it to instructions and drained because I'm not a big broth person and I don't need that much liquid in my diet. My emergency can fork, because nothing in this house is sanitary. It's steaming, it's hot, it's real. At the end of the video I'll show you the date on the bottom of the container. That's hot. Hey, guess what? That tastes like beef noodles by Maggi. And for taste test, that's actually not bad. So, I don't think I've shown the bottom of it yet, but I need to finish it to do it. So, let's see, can I... Oh, that looks better. There's no way to pause this, so there's no way I can eat it in one go, so I'm going to... Yeah, you should be able to see this. I can't see it. Hang on, there we are. And here it is, 2021. Alright. Love yous all. Because the all parent encompasses us all.